What is going on, Road Warriors? You are riding the HRC with High Road Comics, and today we will be looking at the upcoming comic book releases for Wednesday, April 24th, 2019. So before I begin, I do want to say that I am going to make an active and conscious effort to narrow down my pull list closer back down to the 20 titles at a time limit, and that won't include miniseries. So
whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
I got a little leeway there, but gotta save some money. We got SDCC coming up and amazing Las Vegas Con, so let's go ahead and cool down. All right, so let's go ahead and start off with Aftershock Comics. Dark Red #1 was actually a great read for me, so I'm going to be picking up Dark Red #2. And let's go ahead and check out this cover. Looks pretty awesome. So Tim Seeley's writing it, Corin Howell, love it. And I hope it's going to be a good series. I'll give it 4 issues before I decide to keep reading it or not. Awesome. And it, as you can see, it's already sold out. I did add this one to my pull list. Let's see if they actually pull it for me. All right, we got some Boom Studios action. Mighty Morphin Power Rangers #38. I might actually end up getting these later on. They haven't really been selling out, and I'm not even near caught up with MMPR. Alright, so here's cover A. That's actually a pretty awesome cover. Does it say who that is? Solar Ranger. Damn. Maybe I will be picking it up. Are those Dorbs? Dorbs. The Gibson variants, they haven't been that great to me recently, so yeah. Of course, the 1 in 25 looks pretty awesome. The Zord variant, and so does the Mercado variant. Wow. I'm probably just gonna go with cover A if I get it, which I probably will. Let's see. Scrolling down, Dark Horse Comics has nothing this week. Okay. DC Comics, Action Comics 1010. Probably gonna go with cover A, but let's make sure. So here's cover A, Manipul. Actually, Manipul's cover B. My bad. Cover A is Steve Epting. Man, I like it. I do like this, but I'm probably gonna go with the cover A. Detective Comics 1002. There's a Mark Brooks cover B. What? Alright, so cover A and cover B. I actually like the cover A better. Doomsday Clock number 5 and 6 go to final printings. Heroes in Crisis number 8 of 9 is out. I'll get those later. Naomi 1, 2, and 3. They have their final variants coming out. They didn't change those up. They're just different color schemes. It's kind of weak. And yeah, that's it. That's all. So I'm only gonna grab Action Comics and Detective Comics from DC this week, which is good. Wallet hurting. Slow down. Let's try the speed limit for a little bit. IDW, Amber Blake. Probably not going to get the cover B because I didn't have it in my pull list. So let's take a look at the cover A. And I do like the cover A, so I'm not sad about that. And cover B, there's no picture. Missing picture. Ghostbusters 35, 35th anniversary has Extreme Ghostbusters coming out. Kind of thinking about grabbing the other ones on the rewind. Ooh! I'm gonna take a look at these. Star Trek Year 5, number 1. So I'm back on that Star Trek kick. Star Trek Discovery really roped me back in. They totally killed it. Okay, just for the cover alone, I'm gonna get this number 1, cover A. Don't see one for the 1 in 10, and don't see one for the 1 in 25. Wow, that is badass. Star Trek Year 5, number 1. Getting it. Got to. Have to. That's it for IDW. Image Comics. Die number 2 goes to 4th printing. Die number 3 to 3rd printing. Some Donny Cates Redneck. I am gonna grab Spawn 296. Just the cover A, which is the Francisco Mantina. I read 295 and I loved the cover with the clown. And this one is Spawn History Part 1, so to me, probably a good time to jump back into Spawn. Impact Theory, Neon Future number 2. I just want to take a look at all 3 covers. I have a bunch of covers for Neon Future number 1. I got them at WonderCon. I got the C2E2 exclusive and the WonderCon exclusive. If you haven't seen that video, please go back into my video library and check those out. So here's cover A, and it's a good story. Cover B, I kind of want to get it because it goes with my C2E2 cover, and cover C. So I'd be okay with cover A or B. I'll probably decide there. But cover A looks pretty cool. And that's it for Impact Theory, because that's all they got. Mad Cave Studios, Honor and Curse number 3. I might grab it. I don't have Honor and Curse number 2. I did grab that Honor and Curse number 1 CBSI variant. So I haven't read it because it's a CBSI variant. I don't want to break the seal. It's exclusive, limited. Marvel Comics. We got. Oh, good. Okay. Age of Conan Billet is 2nd printing. All right. Amazing Spider-Man number 20. I don't know if I'm gonna get that connecting variant. Number 20. Great cover A. There's cover B. And ooh, this Hunted variant, Mark Bagley variant, looks pretty cool. So I'd be okay with getting cover C. It's a 1 in 25. Avengers number 18. Feels like it's been a while since Avengers came out. I'm gonna go with the cover A. Cover B is an Alex Ross 25th anniversary. It's pretty badass. Holy crap. And that is $3.99 cover price? Doubt it. And then this Asgardian variant, cover C. What is this? Avengers Edge of Infinity number 1. Take my money. Todd Knock. Saw him at WonderCon, didn't get him to sign anything, unfortunately, because I left it at home. I'm getting it. There's MODOK. Holy shit. Is this a one-shot? I hope so. Because can't be adding stuff. Let's see. MODOK scheme reaches its endgame from the wreckage of their moon base. The villainous Lunar rises again with a deadly plan for the shards of the Cosmic Cube. Join Captain America, Black Widow, Iron Man, and Captain Marvel in a race against time that will determine the fate of the solar system. But what is MODOK's plan, and how does he figure into Lunar's ambitions? All will be revealed as the Avengers fight to save the Earth from the Edge of Infinity. Please only be a one-shot. I can't pull so many. Wow. No Road Home. It finished. They got the second printing. What else? Conan the Barbarian number 4 goes to second printing. And oh, here you go, Fantastic Four number 9. I'm just gonna show you cover A, the Ribic, and cover B, the bill. So I'll probably go with cover A. It's a 1 in 25 for cover B, although that's pretty badass. Guardians of the Galaxy number 1 goes to third printing. Wow, Immortal Hulk 10, 11, and 12 go to third printing, as well as 8 and 9. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 16 goes to second printing with their 1 in 25 second printing. Dumb. I just want to see what this Marvel Comics Presents number 4 is. Okay, so Moon Knight. Ooh, I wonder if... Okay, it's an all-new Tale of Moon Knight. That would be cool if they reprinted his origin, or his first appearance. Marvel Rising. Okay, there's not too much this week like I thought there would be. Alright, a bunch of Star Wars. Ooh, here you go. Superior Spider-Man number 5. That's a cool cover. I might have to drop it soon. Here's a mini-series that I will be getting. Let's go ahead and take a look at all the covers that they have pictures of. Thanos number 1. It's a mini-series, thank goodness. I might actually go with the movie variant, but let's see. Cover A. Badass. I'd be okay with getting that. Cover B, the Limb variant. Cover C. Zafino variant. Olivetti variant. There's a wraparound hidden gem. Blank. Maybe. We'll see. So far, cover A and B are my fave. Bunch of True Believers. Avengers Forever number 1. Rocket Raccoon number 1. I might grab that. I mean, they're only $1. Maybe I should grab all of them. Yep, I'm grabbing that. I am grabbing that. Venom number 13. So this one was not written by Donny Cates. It was by Cullen Bunn, and Ryan Stegman's still on the art. Hopefully it's good. Nice sword, Venom. Nice sword. And War of the Realms Uncanny X-Men number 1. It's a mini-series, so I'm getting it. I'm just gonna... Oh, here's a Willis Portasio variant and a John Tyler Christopher. So, cover A. Portasio variant's not there. If that one is on the cheap, I'll grab it. And thank goodness that's it for Marvel. New Rick and Morty. White Widow number 1. Second print's coming out. So Jamie Tyndall was at WonderCon, but she was never there. Never saw her at her table. She's always at a panel or something. So, Scout Comics. They have that Electric Black. I'm not gonna grab it. I got too many independents right now, and I gotta see how they pan out. And if I gotta pay a little extra to grab these other ones, I'll grab them. But the concept for this one looks pretty good. So yeah. That is all I have, comic community. Appreciate you for being here and, joining me on this ride. I'm about to exit, and I will catch you all at the next stop. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is High Road Comics going offline.